Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Windows themes to personalize your PC. It's very simple. You just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you will get an option called settings. If you click on that, then you will get the option called personalization. You can also do it by simply click on your right mouse button into your desktop and then click on personalize. It will automatically redirect you to the personalization options over here. Then you'll get an option called themes. So if you click on themes, then you will get a bunch of themes option over here. You can see this one, and there are quite a lot of themes pre-made over here. Also, you can download new themes from Microsoft Store for free. If you get an option called get more themes from Microsoft Store, just simply click on browse themes and it will automatically redirect you a bunch of themes over here. You can see there has a lot of themes, and those all are free. And if you want to download any of themes, like I want to download this one over here, Wild Beauty of Charles Bergman, and if you click on the gate, and you can see that the download is completed. And now if you come over here, you can see here is your new theme that you downloaded. And now if you come over into your desktop, you can see the theme wallpaper are showing. So yeah, this is how you can use Windows theme to personalize your PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.